Industrial sites are becoming increasingly complex, and although traditional desktop-based engineering tools help navigate 3D models, they limit collaboration. You still need installations, licenses, exported files, and specialist operators. Sharing data should be easier, faster, and available to everyone. WebPano removes these barriers. It's a browser-based platform that brings together HD panoramas, point clouds, mesh models, 3D geometry and engineering data, all in one interactive environment. No software installation and no user limits. Access to traditional desktop tools is limited by licenses. WebPano has no user limit. This means engineers, HSE teams, maintenance crews, designers and managers can all work with the same reality data directly in the browser without bottlenecks. In traditional desktop-based tools, sharing insights means exporting views, packaging models, or sending large files. In WebPano, everything is shared through a lightweight link. The same link always opens the same shared context. A comment, a measurement, a markup, or an exact point of view, all accessible instantly for any user. No data exchange, no version control issues, no delays. High-definition panoramas reveal details often invisible in models or point clouds. Welds, labels, corrosion, cabling, all captured with full visual fidelity. And when something needs to be documented on site, additional photos taken with a mobile phone during scanning can be attached to the exact scan position and accessed directly inside WebPano. This gives you access to critical detail, including nameplates and hard-to-read components, that traditional desktop tools simply cannot provide. Searching for components is instant. Just enter a tag or ID, and WebPano highlights the object not only in the 3D model, but also directly in the panorama and point cloud view. This unified spatial context lets you see both the model representation and the real-world environment at the same time, something traditional desktop tools cannot offer. WebPano doesn't just display model attributes, it lets you edit them directly in the browser. And when you import those changes back into your source engineering model, your data stays up to date on both sides. WebPano now integrates PID diagrams directly with 3D models and scan data. You can link a PID drawing to the spatial environment and instantly navigate between 2D schematics, 3D geometry, and point cloud reality. This significantly improves navigation, troubleshooting, and operational decision-making. And as project-specific PIDs become available, they can be connected automatically, creating a unified engineering information environment. Working with PIDs in WebPano is simple and intuitive. Diagram elements that are already linked highlight automatically, and creating new links takes just a moment. Select an item in the PID and its counterpart in the 3D view, and the connection is stored instantly. Navigation works the way you prefer, through the diagram, through the spatial view, or through list-based menus. Selecting an element from the list immediately locates it in the plant, so schematic information and real-world context stay perfectly aligned. And PID integration works even when no 3D model exists, only mesh or point cloud data. Diagram elements can be linked directly to scanned reality, making the feature extremely powerful for brownfield sites and partially modeled facilities. WebPano brings diagrams, spatial data, and plant reality together, turning PID navigation into a fast, clear, and accessible experience. All engineering information stays connected, clear, consistent, and easy to access. WebPano can be customized to support existing enterprise systems, for example, by linking reality data directly to CMMS or document management platforms. And if a company doesn't yet use a CMMS, WebPano can also serve as the foundation for such a system. With POI tools, editable attributes, documents, signs, and full history tracking, it can support maintenance planning, inspections, and service workflows directly inside the spatial interface. Many workflows can run entirely on panoramas, meshes, and point cloud data, without the need for a full 3D model. This allows inspections, HSE reviews, planning, and preliminary design to be done immediately, using real-world scan data. Full modeling is still required for plant change projects, but these projects usually have their own dedicated budgets, and modeling naturally fits into that scope of work. As a result, you avoid modeling everything up front, and instead model only where it truly matters. A step-by-step approach that significantly optimizes digitalization costs. WebPano transforms how engineering teams access and share spatial information. It removes technical barriers, accelerates collaboration, and connects 2D and 3D data into one unified experience. Faster, lighter, more accessible. WebPano, reality, data, connected.